Welcome everyone. I'm going to start exercise 4.5, and this is last exercise of factorization chapter, and this exercise is completely based on this method, that is factorization of sum or differences of two cubes. First formula which we will use here, or identity, a cube plus b cube is equals to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, and second formula will be a cube minus b cube, that is equals to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So let's see how I have solved sums of exercise 4.5. First question, second sub question. I have started from second sub question because first sub question already I have solved in my first video, where I have given you the introduction about all the methods of factorization. So this is first question, in which it is given that 64x cube minus 125y cube, and we have to factorize it. So as I saw it, I tried to make whole number as cube, because 64 is not just now, it is not in cubic form. So what I did, I have written 4x cube, because 4 into 4 is 16, and 16 4 just 64, so 4x whole cube. So children, you must remember before starting the sum, because many times I have seen that children just started by using these terminology, these numbers, without converting them into the cubic root, then your answer will be wrong. So here again 125 I have converted into 5. Now we knew that I cube is equals to 125, because 5 into 5 into 5 is 125. So overall it is 4x cube minus 5y whole cube. Okay, now we are having this formula, because now we can see that first term cube minus second term cube. So this is based on a cube minus b cube, and that is equals to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So in place of a we will put the value of 4x, and in place of b we will put value of 5y. So it became like that, 4x minus 5y into 4x square plus 4x into 5y plus 5y square. Now what 4x square means? 16x square, 4 5s are 20xy, 5 5s are 25y square. And here are your two factors of given algebraic expression. Similarly, if you will see this question, first question, 64x cube plus 1 cube. First of all, what I did, no need to directly apply the formula. First of all, make your equation in that form. So instead of 64x cube, I have written 4x cube, and for 1 we can write 1 cube, because 1 cube is also equals to 1. Then I applied this formula, what a cube plus b cube is equals to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So here I have written 4x cube plus 1 cube is equals to 4x plus 1 into 4x square minus 4x into 1, that is ab plus b square. That is equals to 4x plus 1. 4x square means 16x square minus 4x plus 1, and these are the two factors of this algebraic expression. Children, now I'm going to explain you a hint how you can memorize this formula. See, here is a cube minus b cube. Almost terms are same here, and a cube plus b cube in both the equation formula. So how you will memorize a formula? For a cube minus b cube, in first bracket that term is with minus sign, and for a cube plus b cube the term is with plus sign. Now what about second bracket, where you will see that in first bracket there is minus sign, then in second bracket there is no minus sign. All three terms are a square plus ab plus b square with plus sign, while here in that formula where first bracket is having two terms and they are with addition sign, then in second bracket there will be one minus sign, and that is with ab. So that is the way you can memorize it. What a cube minus b cube is equals to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Then a cube plus b cube is equals to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. I hope you all have memorized it, because these formulas are we are using since last chapter number 3. Now question number second, sub question 2, 7a cube plus 76b cube. As we know that 7 is prime number, so it is not possible that it is cube of any number. So what I did, I have taken common from both the bracket. Now it became a cube, and here is 7 8 56, therefore 8b cube. Now I have converted this 8b cube into cube, that is 2b whole cube. Okay, 7 is already as a factor outside the bracket. Now this is in this form, a cube plus b cube. So I have written a plus 2b within bracket a square minus a into 2b plus 4b square. This is a square, this is b square, and this is a into b. But in our equation, in place of b there is 2b, that's why we are writing 2b. And when we will solve it, first factor is 7, second factor is a plus 2b, third one is a square minus 2ab plus 4b square, and here your answer is over. Now see question number third. First, x to the power 6 upon 343 plus 343 upon x to the power 6. We have to factorize it. First of all, what I have done, I have to try to make this number 343 into its cubic form. For that I have factorized it. I have divided 343 by 7. 7 4 are 28, 7 9 are 63. Again 7 7 are 49. It means 343 is equals to 7 into 7 into 7. When I got it, then again I come back to my question. I have written here that x square to the power 3, because 2 into 3 is 6, upon 7 cube. Instead of writing 343, I have written 7 cube. Similarly here also, instead of writing 343, I have written 7 cube, and in place of x to the power 6, I have written x square whole cube, because we know the rules of power and exponent. Power to the power are multiplied. Now I have taken together this x square by 7 and whole power 3, instead of writing separately for numerator and denominator, whole to the power 3. Similarly here also 7 by x square whole to the power 3. Now you may consider it as first term cube, that is a cube plus b cube. Okay, then I applied this formula, a plus b within bracket a square minus ab plus b square. This is a cube plus b cube, so a plus b, that is x square by 7 plus 7 by x square. Then a square minus ab plus b square. So I have written a, in place of a square I have written x square by 7 whole square minus ab, that is x square by 7 into 7 by x square, these are a and b, plus b square, that is 7 by x square whole square. And we have solved it little bit. X square cancelled, 7 cancelled, means here is 1 only. Okay, so x square by 7 plus 7 by x square, and here is x to the power 4 upon 49 minus 1 plus 49 upon x to the power 4. So these are the two factors which are answer of your this algebraic expression. In this video, till this question only, children. Bye bye.